take you back to the lab for a litany of invasive exploratory procedures. Any last words?
Guac. I like that word.
I don't have to tell you how many scientific breakthroughs have been made possible by animal testing. You're being very selfish.
Going my way?
What the? Oh. Who the hell do you think you are? I'm the Donut Lord, you son of a bitch! Autopilot, adjust! Why? Why would you throw your life away for this thing?
That's why I don't have friends. Next thing you know, you're somebody's best man. They want to have the wedding out of town, like nobody has anything better to do. Anyway, where were we? Oh, yes. You were about to die.
Tom?
I don't mean to be indelicate here, but someone should get some ice, keep the body fresh.
He's just a silly little alien.
He didn't belong here!
That little alien knew more about being human than you ever will. His name was Sonic. This was his home. And he was my friend. It's all yours. Get on your back.
I think you have something that belongs to me. This is my power, and I'm not using it to run away anymore. I'm using it to protect my friends.
Now you've done it!
Guess what, Eggman? I'm not leaving Earth. You are. Donut Lord?